Hey everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Crafts. Summer is here and it's coming in hot. I've been craving some fresh watermelon, so today I'm going to make a watermelon resin shaker. On the screen are most of the materials I will be using. I'll try to leave a list in the description to where I got each of my materials in case you want to make one for yourself. The first thing I'm going to do is mix up some green resin, and then I'm going to add that just to the rind part of the watermelon. I used some washi tape to hold up the mold at an angle so it wouldn't spread. Then I'm going to use some heat and get all the bubbles out. If you're under the age of 18, please have an adult supervising this part. Then I placed that into my UV light to cure, making sure to flip it over and do the other side as well. Next, I mix my pink color. Poured that into the rest of the mold. Popped all the bubbles with heat and cured it in my UV lamp. Again, I'm going to flip it over and cure the other side before I take it out of my mold. And apparently I decided to cure it one more time outside of the mold, I guess for good measure. Once cured, I used a Sharpie paint pen to color over all of the seeds on the mold and then filled that up with my sprinkles. To seal that in, I'm going to use a dry erase marker and trace the outline of the mold onto clear plastic. Cut it out and attach it to the piece with some more resin. My plastic has a film on the front. I usually pull that off after adhesing it so that I don't get my fingerprints all over the plastic. I used the UV light to cure that, then I domed the whole piece with more resin. Don't forget to heat out all the bubbles. When that is done, I also domed the back of the piece. I don't really like having the oil in my shaker, so I used the hole in the front to put my eyelet screw in. And I cured that to make sure it was attached. Then I added on a jump ring and this small lanyard that I got from my Sophie and Toffee kits. And I have a really cute watermelon shaker charm. By the way, I also made this finger heart creation. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Link me to pictures on Instagram or Twitter if you make one for yourself. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to see what I make next. If you want to see more, follow me on Twitch. I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Saturdays I do craft streams starting at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope to see you there. All my links are in the description for you. That's all I have for today. See ya.